Welcome to MadZone, where one turn of the wheel can change your fate. Today, we dive into high-tension driving moments, where even a split-second mistake can lead to unimaginable consequences. Keep your eyes on the screen because accidents don't send a warning. Buckle up, and let's begin. Just a gentle reminder, an empty road doesn't mean a safe one. Stay alert behind the wheel. Maybe the car was too new. Driver and gas pedal just didn't speak the same language yet. Luckily, the straight road gave oncoming cars enough time to react. Just a reminder, keep that warning triangle handy. No sun, no traffic, but the crash already bloomed. Guess even the trees gave up early. Bentleys are built for smooth rides, not sudden highway dances. Luckily, both drivers were safe. One moment of drunk driving, and the damage spread from a wall to a parked BMW. Thankfully, no one was hurt. The hit was so strong, the crash truck flew like a leaf. Didn't expect the SUV to perform like a prototype Swedish tank.
你有渡到吗？那我要打什么？这是哪里呀？他还好吗？
翠峰街西湾路。
他活着，他活着，他活着，他活着，他活着。你还要打吗？
15E blocks the left lane on the ramp for exit 15. Couple of problems on the
The driver changed lanes like it was Snake, but trucks don't handle like a joystick. When the police car decides to test the emergency room from the inside, luckily, no extra patients were added. Few steps from disaster, and the mechanics walked away unharmed. That's luck you can't buy with a lottery ticket. scooter stayed, but the rider ran faster than the crash itself. An unbelievable escape. That's express delivery straight through everything, even the sidewalk. The accident didn't happen from carelessness, but because the body gave out. Hoping things calm down soon, a true case of trouble from above, but thankfully no one was hurt. The car took the hit, the driver breathed easy. If a gentler path had been chosen, could the outcome have been different? No one got hurt, and that's the biggest luck after such reckless youth behind the wheel. Jumping out while reversing? Looks like the driver lost trust in the truck, and maybe the brakes too. A light shakeup, and now 6 people have a solid excuse to stay on the couch all week. Oh dear. Stopping for coffee turned into parking inside the cafe. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Unbelievable. In a split second, it could have been the end, but courage made a miracle happen. You could call it advanced reversing, or just never do this. Helping to lift the bike was a kind act, just unfortunate that the engine was still running. Not all crashes happen while driving. Some come while you're just fixing things roadside. One crash and suddenly, it's a golden intersection. Hope the driver's okay and cleanup is smooth. Oh dear, the car turned like it missed home. The bus could only watch in disbelief as fate approached. If the SUV could talk, it might apologize for that too strong. Hello? Better watch the road next time. This truck must have taken a wrong turn, thinking it was a professional wall breaker. Hard to say who's at fault, but a truck launching onto the sidewalk isn't exactly a good morning routine. Well, welcome to the police station. A crash entrance with a soundtrack. Nothing says grand arrival like blasting Guns N' Roses. Trying to unload, and the ground just gave up. That's a drop the driver won't forget. Thankfully, no one was hurt in this unexpected blast. A gentle slide, yet the outcome sparkled all over the road. Bill rear-end crashed like a billiard game, but luckily no one flew off. Properly securing cargo is safety for drivers and everyone else. Don't let steel coils be the party crashers. Quite convoy practicing figure skating. Too bad nobody stuck the landing. wow, the car took a wrong turn like it's in a Daredevil game.
We're out of production because you were in such a freaking hurry to be able to be like, okay, done. Oh my God!
The armored truck didn't even flinch. Ford bounced off like it got hit with a cold bucket. Was it the wind or just a really enthusiastic fire? How did it spread so fast? Oh wow, this driver must have missed the height restriction sign. The truck just crashed into the limit bar, causing a classic headbutt moment on Daegu streets. Everyone rushed to the crash, except the driver, who rushed away. That falling rock moment was quite a scare. Thankfully, it just brushed past the car. A direct hit would have been hard to imagine. Winter in New York. Always keep a safe distance and reduce speed when driving. Looks like the truck forgot uphill driving isn't easy, especially with such a heavy baggage. Raised by 8 inches, looks like the bridge's appetite has shrunk. In Belteach, peace was briefly interrupted by a hot-headed driver. Only in Russia does a tank drive like a bus, crushing a KIA seed. Instead of cleaning, the car zoomed off like an F1 car. Quite a surprise for everyone.
Oscar! Hindi ka sana.
Truly unbelievable. The motorcycle flew away, yet the rider stood firm like nothing happened. The situation unfolded too quickly for most to react. The pedestrian moved against the wall and avoided the crash.
Glad you moved.
The Gillingham FC crash reminds us that road safety applies to everyone, famous or not. Seems like the driver isn't a fan of romance. Spotted a hug and jumped the curb to break it up. Boy throws a firecracker into a manhole, and just seconds later, the whole area shakes from a methane explosion. A head-on crash on a mountain road, like a bull meeting a plate. Luckily just minor injuries, or these cars would have become modern art. Propane truck went boom like fireworks in a quiet neighborhood. Luckily, the driver got off with just a scratch, otherwise that'd be a disappearing act gone wrong. If the statue screamed Chiata and jumped away, then yeah, we'd be genuinely scared. Oh no! The SUV driver forgot to pull the handbrake, and the car slowly rolled down the hill. Luckily, only minor damage, no injuries. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.